Morning guys. This week is actually going to be so fun, so I wanted to vlog it for you guys. So basically this week we have Big Little. I'm so excited. It's technically Friday, but this week we all are going to be decorating our little's dorm rooms. So I thought I would bring you guys along with me for the whole process of like getting everything together and decorating her room, and then also showing you the whole reveal. I also don't think she has any clue it's me. That was not English Paige. I don't think my little knows I'm her big. Yeah. But right now I think I'm gonna go to my sorority house to make some breakfast, and then I also have to grab a couple things for my little. I have to grab clothes from my Big Little box that my big gave me. They basically give you like a huge bin of clothes, because you're new in the house and you don't have like any Alpha Phi clothes or your sorority's clothes. So it's just like fun. I'll show you guys everything I'm putting in my bin for her, but I'm gonna grab a couple of my old things, but it's all in storage right now, so I have to go there. And yeah, so I'm gonna go put on a little bit of makeup, throw on an outfit, and then we'll go and get breakfast. Alright, outfit of the day, just super chill and casual. So sweatshirt is from Aritzia, and then sweats are from Free City, just like really good OG sweats. And then shoes are from Off-White. And yeah, that's pretty much the outfit. And yeah, oh, and then also beanie is by Kith. So let's go get some breakfast. Also just have to show you guys, it's so cold out. Fully snowed last night. Okay, so this looks horrible because I forgot to film it, and it's halfway eaten. Say hi, guys.
He's like, let me vlog.
Okay, so I'm back in my apartment. I grabbed a Starbucks on my way home. But right now I think I'm gonna do a little bit of an unboxing. A bunch of my friends and I got Baked by Melissa cupcakes. For those of you who don't know what they are, they're so good. Also just really cute. I feel like it'll be like cute if we put it on their beds and stuff when we're decorating their room. I also got an extra one for myself as well because they're my favorite. I'm so excited. Wait, this is so cute. Let me show you guys. How cute is this? Oh my gosh, these also look so good. Major plug as well. If you guys want to get cupcakes like this, they're from here. So cupcakes, check. Let me actually show you guys the other stuff I got as well. Okay, so this is what her bin looks like. Basically, you get them a bin full of Alpha Phi clothes and just like stuff like that. Very like Greek life oriented. I just did this a couple days ago. Well, actually, if I'm being honest, my mom did it all for me, so shout out to my mom. But let me show you guys what's inside. This one's actually super cute. It's just a Phi t-shirt. And then what else do I have in here? I have an Pie Mad Happy hoodie. I have my broom ball jersey. I think it actually says my name. Yeah, paigecmillss. Oh wait, that's actually probably so bad. Wait, I almost ruined the surprise. Thank God I realized that. Oh my gosh, that would have been horrible. Anyways, you guys get the point. There's just like a bunch of random clothes in here. It's actually really cool. It's a vintage Gucci Phi one that they made a couple years ago. And then some Chick-fil-A stuff. You guys get it. But that's pretty much it for the bin. Also got some balloons for when I decorate her dorm room. I'm gonna just blow them up and put them on her bed. And then I also got some Twix. I kind of want to go get more candy, but I also have the cupcakes, so I'm not sure. We'll see. And then I also got a card that I'm gonna fill out saying it's like from her big and stuff. That's pretty much it. I'm also waiting on a couple other things, so I'll obviously show you guys that when it gets here, but that's pretty much it. This is also like more of a close-up of some of the things I got. This one's my favorite.
I can't see it.
Oh. Do you think she'll like it? It says, oh baby, it's an Phi's world. That's kind of cringe.
Knowing Jay's, you're gonna like that.
No. I'm trying to explain to Bailey what Big Little is. We're gonna quiz you.
Okay.
Do you know who my little is?
What's her name? Jade?
Yeah, actually.
Really?
Yeah.
See, I do listen.
Okay, final question.
I've had like one.
Yeah. You know what Big Little night is like?
Big Little night?
Yeah. Like
yeah,
when
yeah,
we...
yeah. It's when, yeah.
Oh.
It's when there's like all the bigs,
Uh-huh.
and then all the littles.
Okay.
And then
sure.
you put them together. It's Big Little night, because it's college, so things happen at night.
Oh.
And you guys celebrate the fact that you have a sister, a big sister, and the littles get to be like, hi, I have a question. You could be like, oh, I'm your big sister, I know this stuff. but inside you probably don't know.
Oh, okay. We're done. How excited for Big Little?
So excited that we're doing stats.
Do not show me. Wait, bring it over here. Wait. Oh my gosh.
Wait, that's so
Caroline, what?
I've never been more proud of anything in my life.
Wait, you made it? Wait, can you do mine?
This is what I do for my child.
Painting our paddles. I have nothing, and she is much better. Wait, show the back. It's so cute. And
then rhinestones.
Oh my gosh. You killed that.
The color, the pencil.
How am I gonna do this?
I don't know.
Oh my god. Sophia and I are probably the only ones with literally nothing.
Yeah, oh, it's going. Hi vlog. Hi vlog. Yeah, you can't really see my eyes, but that's okay. I look hideous. Just bend down. It's a mystery. These are mine that I've made. This is Meg.
Come on.
These are Sam's. As you can see, Big Little is so much fun.
We're good. Well, I have no clue what they just filmed, so. Okay, so it's obviously a new day today. Actually, just got the sweatshirts I made for us. This is what they look like. I think they're so cool. I custom made them for both of us. It has Big Little on the sleeve and then Alpha Phi on this sleeve. And then on the logo it has the Phi sign. And then I just put our names in like little scrolls. So, super cool. Wait, I fully didn't plan how this was all gonna fit in her door. Okay, we just got all the balloons with Sophia. We're gonna go decorate her little's room first and then mine. That actually looks cool. Take that. Where should I put this one? Should I put it like here? Or on the bed?
I'm getting really intense with this recording.
I know, wait, I'm so excited. Okay.
Oh my god, I love it. Too cute.
Jade, I'm such a good mother. Wait, Jade, your room is so cute. What the heck?
I know, I like kind of want to show it, but is that
invasive? I don't know.
I mean, I don't really know. Her roommate's side is cute too. I feel like a vlogger. I'm gonna be mad.
forgot.
Oh!
Wait, where should I put it?
Oh my god, cute.
Cute?
Yeah, I feel like I'm
Sophia is killing
transitioning
the
so
vlog
smoothly. Look at this.
Wow,
Look at this. Oh my god.
Here's like a little close-up of everything.
Oh my god. Shut up. I'm freaking out. Oh my god. Yeah.
Who's ready? Me?
We all have our own outfits.
Look at my outfit.
And mine, buddy.
Yes,
Wait, that's our family. Hold on, Beth. Carry the keg.
So have their names on post-its.
With all this stuff in
Yeah,
there.
so cute. So these outfits. Guys, how cute is this photo wall? Wait, I'm done. We're about to wrap. Yes, we are. We got wrapping paper.
Wait, I'm gonna know you. See me now, you know.